guys, we have right here the Huawei Mate X, and you see the screen that's viewing turns active automatically. And we will just open the button and try to unfold it. Here it is. So it's 8 inch when it's unfolded, and the main view is 6.6 inch, and the rear view is 6.4. I will just look around trying to unfold it again, fold it again. Here it is. Here it is. The screen turns active again as soon as I turn it. That's the selfie mode, and here it is the button to unlock the screen to make it unfold. It's much thinner than the Galaxy Fold. It's much thinner than that, and that's why I think it's a better alternate to the Samsung Galaxy Fold. It's $300 expensive though, but if you compare it with Galaxy Fold, it's much better because of the thin side of it. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is much thicker. Okay, we will just try to check its video quality and the speakers. Yeah, here it is. We have played a video on YouTube just to see the results of it. The quality is brilliant, I tell you. The screen is really good, the resolution is really good. Let's see how it looks when it's fold while the video is playing. I will try. Yeah, there it is. It is folding, and as soon as I fold, the screen that's viewing the user becomes active automatically. And you'll see that from the tablet it's transformed to a single screen phone now. And there you go, that's the tablet now. So I think its fold is pretty much better too than Galaxy Fold. I didn't use Galaxy Fold yet, but as it looks, I think the folding ability of this Huawei Mate X is pretty much better than that of Samsung Galaxy Fold. So that's all for my review of the Huawei Mate X, and I have done a review of Samsung Galaxy Fold as well. I will just drop the link in the description below, so go check that video as well. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to